Hi guys! For today video guys, naami diri sa Camora Ranch, Bukidnon, Philippines. Look at the views of the mountain. It's really beautiful. You know, see, so many horses there. Rancho ni siya sa mga horse. Beautiful mountain. Yan. So, may pond din siya dyan guys. Oh. Yan. Tapos may ano dito, house, canteen. May ano din siya dito. Ayan. Canteen, meron. Tsaka toilet. Ayan. Ganda ng bundok.
Why you take?
Bundok
You
yung
take the
mga...
whole thing. You take. Well, you just take one corner.
Oh no. Ayan. Diba ang ganda? So nice. Camora Ranch. Rancho.